So we are solving exercise 4.1 of advanced mathematics Seva board. Okay. So we are solving questions number 15. So we solved till 17 number question. So today we solve 18 number question of 15 number questions. So 18 number question is that x to the power 2 by t minus x to the power 1 by t minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So if we have 2 by t, we can write it like 2 into 1 by t. Any doubt? Maybe you are understand this concept. Because 2 in multiply, the denominator will multiply with denominator and the numerator will multiply with numerator. So 2 into 1 become 2 and 1 into t become t. So 2 by t also we can write in the form of 2 into 1 by t. Okay. So x to the power 2 into 2 by t, we can write x to the power 2 into 1 by t or 1 by t into 2. Okay. Minus x to the power 1 by t minus 2 equal to 0. So if we have take a variable a and it have the power 6, so we can write the power into 2 into t. So we can write this number like a square bracket t. We can write. Okay. So similarly, if we have power a to the power 1 by t into 2, so we can write this number like a to the power 1 by t bracket 2. Okay. So similarly, x to the power 1 by t into 2, we can write that like x to the power 1 by t bracket square 2 square minus x to the power 1 by t minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, maybe you are able to understand. So now let x to the power 1 by t equal to a. Okay, so take this equation number 1. So now putting the value of x to the power 1 by t in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x to the power 1 by t square minus x to the power 1 by t minus 2 equal to 0. So we take x to the power 1 by t as a. So this x to the power 1 by t replaced by a. So a square minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So now we can see that this equation becomes an quadratic equation. So we can solve an quadratic equation by two methods. First is middle term splitting method and the second method is quadratic formula. So first we have to check, can we solve this equation by middle term splitting method? If we can't solve this equation by middle term splitting method, then we can use the quadratic formula. So in the method of middle term splitting method, we have to check that first we need to product the coefficient of square term and the constant. So coefficient of square term is 1 and the constant term is 2. So product of 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So now we have to find some relation of factors. So 2 have only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2. So the relation is here 1 and 2. If we factorize by prime factorized method, 2 only divides one time, so 2 1s are 2. So the relation of 2 only have 1, that is 1 into 2. So middle term splitting method tell us that the middle term a have coefficient 1 So we need to get, or we have to find a relation by the factors. So we have only we have only one relation of factor, that is 1 and 2. So in this equation, the large term, that means the constant term, have minus. Before the constant term we have minus. So we have to get 1 by substitution these two number. So we can see that if we substitute 1 from 2, that we get 1. So we can use this relation in place of 1. So this equation becomes a square minus 2 minus 1 a minus 2 equal to 0. So a square minus, here bracket means a also multiply with 2 and 1. So if a is multiplied by 2, then it becomes twice a, and minus will be same. And if a is multiplied by 1, so it becomes a minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So a square